Can I have a cigarette? I left mine inside. Nicole hid my purse.
We should get married. I mean, I could move.
Yeah.
I mean, you could.
Do
you want to come to Chicago?
I'd love to. My God, it's my dream.
Have you never been to Chicago?
Never,
Have you
ever.
ever been to New York?
Yes, I have. Yeah.
Have you ever been to like Philly?
No.
Philly's dirty.
I used to dream about these things, you know. The fact that you're from there makes me want more stuff.
I'm from here, but I do
Oh.
not live here.
You know me? Yeah.
Nikki's lived here her whole life. She's only lived on the East Coast for like, actually the past 4 years.
5 years.
Oh my God, that's actually a long time. Never mind. Wow.
That's a long time to
Wow,
be.
you've been here for that long. You've been out of high school for that long. That's like, what?
So you're really 34.
You're 34?
Let me see your ID.
I'm that old.
You're
I'm that old,
34.
Let me see your ID.
I'm that old, yeah.
Let me see your ID.
Why would I lie to you?
Just let me
I
see.
didn't know
Yeah,
you.
can I see your ID, please?
But you want to get married,
What do
so
you
like,
want,
why
my-
No,
can't
let's
you
just do this from the top.
Fine.
Because I'm dating someone, I don't even really know how old they are. And it's past that
34,
point.
yeah. Blah, 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 yeah. This is true, yeah.
Where'd the lighter go?
Look at me, Jack.